Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper. So first, let's just see. We can see that on our lock and home screen we can always see two different wallpapers. So just to change one from these wallpapers, the lock one on the lock screen, so open the settings application, and after that just tap here to the personalizations, and you'll see here the wallpaper section. Click here once, and now just you will see the albums here with our device, photo previously taken on our device or downloaded, for example, from the internet, or also we can use here the default wallpaper. So let's select this one, for example, click here to apply, and we want to apply this wallpaper on the lock screen. So tap on the lock screen, wait a second, and now just let's see. So we can see that our wallpaper successfully has changed. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just hold for a while, and after that click here on the lower down corner on the wallpapers icon. By the same way, select one from these wallpapers. For example, let's use the downloaded wallpaper. Okay, this one we can here just set the position. So let's just click here to apply, and lock screen again. Wait a second, and now we can see here the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.